exhaust brake is making noise sometimes. Not all the time anymore. Damn it. See, I don't like that it won't lock in right now, you know? Like, oh well. Alright, we got fuel. No exhaust brake. Better slow my little happy ass down. There we go. Oh, got a little bit of the noise back. Damn it, why no exhaust brake? So there we go. I'm just trying to get the torque converter to lock in. I feel like I'm always hunting for it, you know? But the noise is, sometimes it's here, sometimes it ain't. It's a little crazy.